Introducing the Princeton III hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Imagine 70 powerful jets driven by 3 Stormforce 9 pumps, working their magic on your stress points. With a 3-kilowatt heater and enhanced insulation, your perfect soak is just a button away. Featuring 5 seats and 1 lounger, those intimate gatherings or solo soaks will always be comfortable. With a sleek design that will work with any garden space, the Princeton III is perfect for your new home spa. Running from a powerful 32 amp supply, the 18 LED lights create a tranquil ambiance, while 4 fountains add that extra touch of serenity. A foot massage and a user-friendly control panel make for effortless operation and relaxation. Plus, enjoy your favorite tunes with the built-in Bluetooth sound system. Explore our finance offers and more on our website and secure your new hot tub with just £99 deposit. Free steps, an insulated cover, filter, and free delivery and installation across the UK mainland are all included. Unwind in style with the Princeton III hot tub today.